Hey everyone, so tonight I'm going to be showing you a quick meal that you can do actually with tuna, fresh tuna. This is kind of like a cold dinner. Actually, I like to eat it cold. So actually I prepared the rice a lot earlier, turned it off when it was done, and then just kind of let it set so that it cools a little bit. I'm making just a little version of poke. So basically what I have here, I've chopped up all of my tuna. It's about 1.75 pounds, almost 2 pounds of fish. So we'll eat this probably, I don't know, for a few meals or so. It'll last us. I have some avocado, 2 whole avocados, chopped up and then put in a bowl just for preparation. I have about half a red onion and some green onion, an entire stalk of green onion. I have 3 mangoes, actually no, sorry, 2 mangoes, an 1/8 cup of macadamia nuts chopped up. And then this here is soy sauce, sesame oil, some lime, half a lime squeezed in. It's about 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Again, it's gonna last us about 5 or 6 meals. So basically, I'm just gonna add everything together, just like in a cooking show. Cooking with the Bandworks today. Okay, so fish, cubed it up in like 1/2 inch cubes or so. Then just add everything in. You add the avocados in, and you add the mangoes in, and you add your green onions and red onions. Then I like to pour the sauce in to start first. Mix it up a little bit. And then put the nuts. Oh, again, it's about 12 macadamia nuts total, chopped up, okay? Small macadamia nuts, not even a whole serving. I think it's half a serving technically from the package. Because macadamia nuts are pretty high in fat, so we don't want to add too much. We already have avocado in here and the fish itself. So there you go. That is pretty much it. Quick and easy, fast little recipe. Well, fast because I chopped everything up. But without that, it still wouldn't be that long, especially if you're not making as much as we make, obviously, for meal prep purposes. We'll have this tomorrow, maybe the next day, depending how much we have left. But this is about, for me and my serving, I think it's about 45 grams of carbs, 20 grams of fat, and then 45 grams of protein if I were to do just like 1 serving of this. And then I put it over 1 cup of rice. Lovely as usual. So yeah, so then I would just kind of spoon this out. Let me grab a spoon or like a ladle. Spoon it out with our rice. Boom. Fast and quick, easy dinner, and it tastes delicious. You might want to add a little salt, but I think it's pretty salty already with everything else. Voila, dinner served for me and Matt, and now I'm gonna eat.